You may lose the battle, but you can win the war. You may lose the battle, but you can still win the war. The problem with today's society is we judge everything off of one L. We judge everything off of one loss, one L. When losing is only part of the process. Focus on winning the war. You've been knocked down. You're tired. You've been getting up off the floor day in and day out. And you're tired and you don't want to do it no more. But that is where you change your programming. That is where you focus on the programming. Now, what is mental programming? From the day you were born, your brain has been a computer. Everything that you've learned throughout your childhood has programmed your computer. If you were told, no, you can't do that, that's only for people like that, then that's what you'll believe. If you were told that you can do anything, just work hard at it, then that's what you'll believe. But your brain is a computer, and you have to control the mental programming of that computer to dictate where it will take you. You have to be sure to set the terms of engagement. Don't let anyone set those terms of engagement for you, because no one wants to see you succeed, not even some of your so-called closest homeboys. Some of them would rather see you doing worse than them. Some of them would rather see you not doing well at all. And some genuinely love you and want to see all of you succeed. But it's up to you to depend on yourself for that success. Change your programming. It's time for you to upgrade your mind. It's time for you to upgrade the software system that your brain runs on. And that may mean making difficult decisions. It may mean that you need to get rid of negative people. Get rid of certain people in your life if they provide and if they radiate negative energy. But if that's what it takes, that is what you must do. Because your success means more than a friendship. You are not doing this just for yourself. You're doing this for yourself, for your future children, and for all the people that loved you that did this before you did, whether they were successful or not. If they were successful, then it's your responsibility to continue that success. If they all failed, it's your responsibility to push through those failures and set the new standard for your family. I know you've been through a lot. I know your parents have been through a lot. You may not have learned because your parents did not know any better. Sometimes this society is so cruel and wicked with malicious intent that it can break even the strongest down. But that is not you. That is where you will show the world that you are stronger than any malicious person who wants to see you fail. Because you want to see you succeed. And you have to program yourself to believe that you want to succeed. You have to program your brain to believe that you deserve to succeed. And if you get out there and put in the work, you will believe that you have earned it. And once you believe that you will earn it, guess what? You will start working harder during the next workout. Guess what? Next time you go jogging, you will jog a little bit harder next time. Guess what? The next time you work out, you might put 5 or 10 pounds extra on that bench press. And guess what? You will be a better person because of it. But you have to program your mind. You have to upgrade your mind. You can't let those with the wrong perception of you control your programming, because they will try to. Sometimes people find happiness in the misery of others. That's right. Sometimes people find their own happiness in the misery of others, and they will do whatever it takes to make you miserable if you let them. Remove those people. Get those people away from you. They don't deserve your company. They don't deserve your friendship. They don't deserve your love and loyalty. They don't deserve to stand in your presence. If you're not the first in your family to succeed, then carry on that tradition. If no one else has succeeded, then be the first. There's nothing wrong with being the first. Be the first person to do a great thing. Be the first person to say hello when you walk past someone. Be the first person to hold the door open for someone and smile and be cordial to your fellow human being, because we are people and we thrive off interaction. Be the first.